Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's look at a 2021 Yamaha AR250. This AR250 has a 3-step boarding ladder. Large rear deck with a stereo remote control. Grab handles. Has a table mount. These are your flush kits for fresh water. Storage underneath these back seats. Rear speakers. Little charging port. New for 2021, Yamaha is open the walkthrough for the center of the boat. Ample storage underneath all of the seats with nice hardware and hinge. Plenty of cup holders. This has the dual captain chairs. Dedicated cooler storage. Redesigned the helm on this. Moved the screen a little larger, more upward facing. Tilt steering. Dual throttles. Large bow area. Has the anchor, locker, and also another boarding ladder in the bow. Has a large water sport tower with ample shade and bimini top. And this concludes the interior view of the AR250 by Yamaha. This boat is powered by twin 1.8 liter high output Yamaha engines. As you can see, everything's very clean, very well put together down here in the engine bay. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Yamaha or any of the others that we carry in our inventory. Thanks again.